When an ambitious owner ordered Porsche to construct him a water-based spaceship, the automaker stepped up to the plate. The end product is a 41-meter cosmic catamaran that has to be seen to be believed, and she's looking for a new owner. The Royal Falcon 1 stands out in the sleepy town of Saltsjöbaden on the outskirts of Stockholm. Small sailing yachts move through this part of the archipelago, but no one has ever seen such a strange craft arrive into its idle marina. Locals used social media to alert the globe that aliens were on their way. Denison Yachting is asking €27,500,000 for the Royal Falcon 1. With tube holes, a sweeping superstructure, and visor-like windows, Royal Falcon 1 appears to have been ripped from the galaxy. Such a reaction, however, will not surprise its owner, whose brief called for a spaceship on the water. There are many medi-yachts on the globe, but they all look the same, he explains. If there are 20 boats moored at the marina, you must read the name of your yacht to locate it. I wanted to create something distinctive. Royal Falcon 1 was to be the Royal Falcon Club's first yachting outpost, offering exclusive timeshares and private jet options to a tiny yet ultra-high net worth membership. The ultimate goal was to construct a full fleet of Royal Falcons. So, inspired by Australia's high-speed catamaran ferries, the club's owner set out to find a designer who could bring his cosmic vision to life. On a flight from Singapore, a serendipitous meeting with the CEO of Studio F8 Porsche led to the project being assigned to the design studio. When I told him I was going to build a big yacht, he responded, "Why don't you consider Porsche? It would not be the first time the manufacturer has dabbled in sailing." In 2017, the studio collaborated with the fledgling shipyard Dynamic on the GTT 115, a 35-meter motor yacht intended as the Gran Turismo of the seas. We recognized each other's concept of how to create something distinct, and that's how it all began. The owner added, "The Royal Falcon, on first appearance, it may not scream Porsche, but upon closer inspection, its curves are reminiscent of a Porsche 911, and the upper deck's overhang is reminiscent of a sports car's rear view mirror. It's also quick, with a pair of MTU diesel engines and twin water jets powering the 41-meter catamaran to a top speed of 37 knots. The crew consulted with Australian catamaran specialists Incat Crowther on the naval architecture, and the project took nearly a decade to complete at the Cockham shipyard. The yacht's inaugural trip began in Saltsjöbaden before continuing on to the Monaco Yacht Show for her global debut. The Royal Falcon 1 has a 492 GT capacity and a 41-meter footprint. The main deck, known as the capsule, extends from the saloon to an observation lounge, resembling an airplane cockpit. There is no bulkhead between the two chambers. Instead, a promenade illuminated by 14 RGB panels connects them. Guests can spend the evening moving from the main saloon's dining table to the forward lounge, which has seating that hugs the forward starboard curve and a set-up bar. Dreamline, a Dubai-based design studio, use white leathers, stainless steel, and bursts of electric blue throughout. The beds in the cabins are elevated from the floor and appear to float in space. There are 5 cabins in all, with 3 guest suites on the main deck and a VIP cabin and master suite above. The master suite looks aft and has its own private deck. Crew operations are restricted to the hulls, which contain 4 crew cabins, chief engineer and chief officer cabins, laundry, storerooms, and other technical spaces. From the stern, a tender hidden beneath the aft deck descends. The owner considered having the yacht finished in dark anthracite, but feared it would blend in with the horizon. And the Royal Falcon 1 was not designed to blend in. In October 2019, Royal Falcon 1 entered the brokerage market. This isn't the boat for everyone. This is a yacht for someone who isn't afraid to stand out, who isn't afraid to step out of the harbor and be scrutinized, the owner adds. Royal Falcon 1 is now for sale with Denison Yachting Sales and charter broker Alex G. Clark, who claims it's about finding the unique buyer. I believe she will appeal to a wide range of people, but she will have a restricted number of purchasers, far fewer than a conventional 500 GT monohull. When you combine Porsche design, Incat Crowther, and Lloyd's classification, the build quality is right there. Now it's only a matter of getting folks to realize and board the boat. Clark believes that the Power Cat is the way of the future. We have a lot of activity with these bigger cats, and there's not much more than 30 meters out there right now, which is what distinguishes this boat. Denison Yachting is asking €27,500,000 for Royal Falcon 1, which is located in Genoa. She can also be chartered through Eastwind Yachts. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about the Royal Falcon 1? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.